All right, let's dive straight into something that's not just revolutionary, but also super actionable. Imagine sparking lively debates in your language classroom, transforming the way students engage with the language and each other. It's about making learning real, immediate, and incredibly relevant. The Flash News article debate is your go to strategy for this, and here's how to make it a smashing success. First, let's get our hands on a current news article in your target language. This isn't about finding just any article, it's about finding one that hits the sweet spot of controversy and interest for your students. Say, for example, you're teaching Spanish and there's a hot debate about renewable energy in Spain. Snag an article discussing Spain's latest solar farm project and its impact on local communities. This isn't just current, it's a goldmine for vocabulary, grammar, and real world issues. Now, split your class into two. One side supports the project for its environmental benefits, while the other raises concern about its impacts on local life. Next up, strategy. Before diving into the debate, have your students jot down key vocabulary from the article. This primes them with the linguistic tools they'll need to argue effectively. Then, give them a quick primer on debate phrases in the target language. Phrases like estoy de acuerdo con, I agree with, or por otro lado, on the other hand. This not only equips them for the debate, but also sneaks in some grammatical structure practice as well. Finally, let the debate unfold. Encourage students to use evidence from the article to back up their points, making the debate not just about language use, but critical thinking. As they debate, they're not just practicing language, they're living it, breathing it. And here's a quick win for you. Wrap up by having students write a brief reflection on the target language about their personal stance on the issue, using at least 3 new vocabulary words from their debate. This solidifies their learning, making the language stick and giving them a sense of accomplishment. Implementing the Flash News article debate isn't just about teaching language, it's about fostering a vibrant, thinking, and engaged classroom. It's a concrete strategy that delivers quick wins for both you and your students, making the language come alive in ways that textbooks never could. So grab that article and let the debates begin. This is language learning at its most dynamic and relevant.